Assalamu alaikum, this is Muhammad Khair, math teacher at KKI Schools, and our mission today to complete the revision for the midterm and listen for dash 4 solving equations. And actually, I know, you know, what if someone asks you to solve this equation? What you shall do? Yes, what we call this before? We call it difference between two squares, yes? And if I have difference between two squares, what shall I do? Yes, صحن حمص صحن فول. Yes, this is nice. X here and X here. Plus here and minus here, and 5 here and 5 there. Are you happy with that? Me too. So difference between two squares, you have to do like this, my dear students. Now, what if the question like this? Plus. If I have a plus, it stops to be different between two squares in the real numbers, but in the complex part, what I said to you, just add I here and I here, and we done. Are you happy with that? So if it is positive between two squares, or the sum of two squares, you have to add I at the second part of the parentheses. Okay, if you have a minus, you know what you have to do. Are you happy with that? Me too. Now, what if this, the x square, has another square? For example, it has a 49 here. Yes, again, صحن حمص وصحن فول plus minus x here and x there. It is not x actually. See the coefficient of x squared, it's 49. It is coming from where, my dear students? It's coming from 7 multiplied 7. So what we shall write here? Yes, 7 here and 7 here. And what's about the 25? 25 will be 5i and 5i. Actually, I feel I make it harder for you, but the easy way, just as we learned before, do this and that. 7x here and 7x here, and minus plus, and at the end 5i 5i, if this is positive. If it is negative, you just remove I. Yes, you just remove I. Are you happy with that? Me too. Okay, now I will make a trick for you. See, the same question. X square or 2x square minus 50 equals 0. Teacher, you are trick us. It is not the same question. No, my dear student, it is the same question. But see, actually here, the 2 here is not a perfect square. So directly, don't think one moment, and divide by 2, divide by 2, and divide by 2. The x square coming down, minus 25 equal 0. Okay, my dear student? Okay. And as you see here, it is a difference between two squares. As you see, صحن حمص صحن فول, x here and x there, plus minus, and 5 5, and we done. Are you happy with that? Me too. What if what if, okay, this is, I have here another number, for example, it is, let me think about it to make it a perfect square. If it is 11 here, and he asks you to solve this equation, so what you learned before, yes, we have to make the x square alone, and happy, yes, you can throw this, you can solve it in many ways, but one way it is to throw this here, okay, and make it positive, okay, and x square equal 36, yes, radical for both sides, x come alone and happy, and this give me plus minus 6. Are you happy with that? I hope so, my dear students. This is all about 4.4 solving equation. I hope you are full now, because sorry, I hope you are understand me. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.